Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Laura Vitale's best chili. Start by browning 1 pound of Italian sausage and 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Break up the meat as it cooks until it's almost fully browned. If there's too much fat, drain most of it, leaving about 2 tablespoons to keep that rich flavor. This initial step is crucial for building a deep, savory base for your chili. Next, add 1 diced large onion, 4 minced cloves of garlic, and 1 minced jalapeno to your brown meat. Season with a good pinch of salt and sauté for about 10 minutes until the vegetables soften and develop color. Then, stir in 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for 30 seconds to toast the spices. Now, add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, stirring for 30 seconds. Pour in 8 ounces of your favorite lager beer, cooking for another 30 seconds to deglaze the pot and lift all those flavorful bits. Finally, stir in 2 14-ounce cans of petite diced tomatoes, 1 14-ounce can of rinsed kidney beans, and 2 cups of beef broth. Bring your chili to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, partially cover, and let it simmer for a couple of hours, stirring occasionally. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve your delicious chili hot, topped with a dollop of sour cream, some shredded cheddar cheese, and fresh chopped scallions for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.